All right, it's 8 o'clock. We'll get started. Tonight we got 2019 Prestige, 2020 Donruss, 2020 Prestige, and 2020 Mosaic Mega Box. We'll just start with 2019. Earlier break, we got a nice Joe Burrow and Tua. See what we can do tonight. All right, we got Cameron Hayward, Phillip Rivers, Jimmy G. We got Kyle Rudolph, Von Miller, Quandre Diggs, extra points, Cortland Sutton, and Quandre Olison. Got Malcolm Butler, Leighton Vander Esch, John Brown, Khalil Mack, Bobby Wagner, Xavier Howard. Got Aaron Rodgers on the highlight reel. And we got Irv Smith Jr. All right, we got Tyler Lockett, Miles Jack, Aaron Donald. We got Adam Thielen. We got Cameron Brate, Bradley McDougall. Got Deshaun Watson on the impressions, and a Tony Pollard rookie for the Cowboys. Got Jarvis Landry, Devonta Freeman, James Devlin. We got Justin Houston, Derek Carr. And for the Colts, we got a relic of Marlon Mack, stars of the NFL. Josh Rosen and Christian Wilkins for the Dolphins. Deion Lewis, we got Tariq Cohen, Say Jones, Jordan Thomas, AJ Green, Juju, and we got Cam Newton. And Miles Boykin for the Ravens. We got Terrell Suggs, George Kittle, Devontae Adams, Jordan Reed, Nyheim Hines. We got Marcus Mariota, Aaron Donald on the powerhouse, and Devin Bush for the Steelers. Nice rookie. Uchenna Nwosu, Darius Leonard, Taylor Lewan, Anthony Miller. Got Marquez Valdez-Scantling, Christian McCaffrey, extra points, Harrison Butker, and Miles Sanders for the Eagles. We got Lamar Jackson, Marshawn Lattimore, Devin McCourty. We got Aaron Jones, Tyler Boyd, Adam Vinatieri, Carson Wentz on the prestigious pros, and Amani Aryawari. Alright, 2020 done, Russ. Sorry guys, knocked the camera over. Make sure that's readjusted right. All right. All right, Josh Allen, Will Fuller. We got Cortland Sutton, Drew Lock, and we got a relic of Jalen Reagor, rookie phenoms for the Eagles. And we got Jedrick Wills, Jason Peters, and Tom Brady, kid reporter. We got Peyton Manning, Tre'Davious White, Phillip Rivers. We got Hunter Henry, Austin Eckler. And we got Devin Astasi for the Patriots. Juju and Tyrann Mathieu. D.D. Westbrook, Julius Peppers. We got LT, Stephon Gilmore, and we got a red parallel, Lamar Jackson. And we got Lynn Bowden Jr., rated rookie for the Raiders. Devin Bush, C.J. Uzman, and kid reporter. And red parallel, Lamar. We got Young Ho Koo, Carlos Hyde. We got Julian Edelman, Derwin James. It's a nice Jake Fromm Elite Series for the Bills. Cesar Ruiz. We got Dante Johnson, Joe Montana, and kid reporter. Nice one for the Bills. Jake Fromm. Jack Doyle. Tremaine Edmonds. Darius Leonard. Justin Tucker. Got Drew Bledsoe. Got a rated rookie. Cam Akers for the Rams. Devontae Parker, Geno Atkins. Candle makers. DJ Chark, DJ Moore, Dalvin Cook, Saquon Barkley, and we got a insert Patrick Mahomes, Christian Fulton for the Titans, Queeb Talib, Devontae Adams, and Kid Reporter. Patrick Mahomes. Aaron Donald, Max Crosby, Corey Littleton, Daniel Hunter, Golden Tate, and we got Darrell Taylor for the Seahawks, Patrick Mahomes, and Carson Wentz. CJ Mosley, we got Sam Darnold, Greg Olsen, Alvin Kamara, Richard Sherman, and we got Chase Claypool. That's a very nice one, rated rookie for the Steelers. Chris Jones, Alshon Jeffrey, and Kid Reporter. Mitchell Trubisky, Montez Sweat, Kamala Curry, Jared Cook, and another nice one. That's a canvas too. Henry Ruggs for the Raiders. Derek Brown for the Panthers. Joe Mixon and Minkah Fitzpatrick. Kenny Golladay, we got Anthony Miller, Baker Mayfield, Jason Pierre-Paul, we got Bobby Wagner, Terrell Lewis, we got Aaron Rodgers, Jake Lambert, Kid Reporter. Nice pack of Donruss. Calvin Ridley, Barry Sanders, Christian Kirk, Mari Cooper, Christian McCaffrey, and another Jake Fromm for the Bills. Brett Favre and Jerome Baker. Some nice rated rookies out of that box. 2020 Prestige. Montez Sweat, Romeo Okwara, Russell Wilson. We got Preston Williams, Odell Beckham, and we got a relic, Leonard Fournette for the Jaguars. Got Lamar Jackson on highlight reels and A.J. Dillon for the Packers. DJ Moore, Deshaun Watson, John Johnson, Julio, Chinonowusu, Dak, Tyler Lockett, extra points, and Keyshawn Vaughn for the Bucks. We got Chris Conley, Dwayne Haskins, Kenny Galladay. We got Myles Garrett, Miles Sanders, Larry Fitzgerald. We got Aaron Jones on the Powerhouse. And there's a nice one for the Chiefs, Clyde Edwards-Helaire and Kid Reporter. Got Hunter Renfrow, Kirk Cousins, Nate Orchard, Jimmy G, Tyrann Mathieu, got Cole Beasley, got Zeke, extra points, and Justin Jefferson for the Vikings. Got TJ Hawkinson, Tyler Lockett, Jordan Scarlett, Josh Rosen. We got Baker, Takirus McKinley, Worldwide, Luke Kalicki, and Jeremy Chin for the Panthers. Got Will Fuller, Josh Jacobs, Saquon, Tyler Boyd, Amari Cooper, Phillip Lindsay, Ryan Tannehill, and Devin Duvernay for the Ravens. We got Terry McLaurin, Duke Johnson, Derek Carr, Carson Wentz, Byron Murphy. We got Fred Warner. Got Josh Jacobs on the highlight reel. And Ross Blacklock for the Texans. Got Adam Thielen, Mark Ingram, Le'Veon Bell, Travis Kelce, Robert Foster. We got Zeke. It's nice Patrick Mahomes on a row for the Chiefs. And Jerry Jeudy for the Broncos. Not a bad pack. And Patrick Mahomes. Alright guys, last box, Mosaic. Kid Reporter. First one we got, Miles Sanders. Got game. Got Antonio Gibson for Washington. Cortland Sutton. Got a Zeke. Got game for the Cowboys. Got a Russell Wilson. TJ Watt, Jason Taylor, Drew Brees, will to win. Got Darius Leonard. Nice Jalen Hurts for the Eagles. Got John Brown. And we got a flea flicker for the Ravens. That's a nice card. Marquise Brown, Lamar Jackson, and Mark Ingram. Got Jerry Jeudy. For the Broncos. That's a good looking card. And Clyde Edwards-Helaire. That's a nice one. All his cards are going up. NFL debut for the Chiefs. Got Tyler Lockett. Julian Edelman. Devin Duvernay for the Ravens. Matt Ryan. Touchdown Masters, Derrick Henry. Got Deion Sanders. Here comes a nice one right here, CD Lamb, NFL debut for the Cowboys. I like that one. Got Steve Young. Got AJ Green. Will to win. Randy Moss. Jared Cook. Keyshawn Vaughn for the Bucks. We got Rod Woodson. Good looking card too. Fitzgerald, Larry Fitzgerald. Got Matt Judon. Pro Bowl, Calais Campbell. Got Chris Jones. Ryan Tannehill. Got game. And another rookie, Van Jefferson for the Rams. And we got J.K. Dobbins for the Ravens. Very nice. Got Dalvin Cook. James Conner. Cam Chancellor. And I think it's our third Jerry Jeudy for the Broncos. NFL debut. And we got Roger Staubach. And our last card's going to be old school Terry Bradshaw. And we'll do a recap. And Kid Reporter. Alright, we got Jerry Jeudy, J.K. Dobbins, Van Jefferson, Keyshawn Vaughn. We got Jake Fromm, Devin Duvernay, Clyde Edwards-Helaire, Jerry Jeudy, Flea Flicker of the Ravens. Got Jalen Hurts, Antonio Gibson, Russell Wilson, got Honor Row, Patrick Mahomes, Rookie Phenoms, Jalen Reagor, Devin Duvernay, Justin Jefferson, Cam Akers, A.J. Dillon, got a relic of Leonard Fournette, Devin Bush, red parallel, Lamar Jackson, Marlon Mack, relic, Patrick Mahomes, we got Tony Pollard, we got Jake Fromm on the Elite Series rookies, Joe Montana, got Lynn Bowden Jr. on the rated rookie, Tom Brady, got Aaron Rodgers, got Henry Ruggs, rated rookie, canvas, Jerry Jeudy, NFL debut to C.D. Lamb, that's a nice card, Chase Claypool, rated rookie, and Clyde Edwards-Helaire. I don't know if it's a scratch on that card or a piece of fuzz. Looks like a piece of fuzz. Yeah, Clyde Edwards-Helaire for the Chiefs. That's all we got tonight, guys. Be back tomorrow to be 6:30 for tomorrow night, right before Sunday Night Football. Hope to see you then. Thanks, guys.